Number 23. Which expression is equivalent to 42a over k plus 42ak, where k is greater than 0? The reason they're telling you k is greater than 0 is so you don't get hung up on saying, but what if k is 0, then this is impossible because I can't divide by 0. So like, don't worry about that. That's what they're telling you. Don't worry about that possibility. It's fine. It's real. Okay, now if you notice, our answers all are a single fraction. So that's our clue that we need to combine these. We need to add them together. If you need to add two fractions or two things and one of them's a fraction, they must have the same denominator before you can add them. So here I have 42a over k plus 42ak. Now I cannot add them because this is not a fraction with a denominator of k. It has to be a fraction with a denominator of k in order to add them. So I need to change this 42ak into a fraction with a denominator of k. The way we do that is we put this, say that it's a fraction over 1, because we can do that with anything. We can say it's something over 1, doesn't change it. I need to multiply by k over k, because then I'll have 1 times k on the bottom, and that will get me to that denominator of k. But why can I multiply by k over k? Isn't that changing things? No, because we're told k is greater than 0, so it's not a 0. Any number that is not a 0, if you put it over itself, it's the same as 1. 5 over 5, a million over a million, x over x, those are all just equal to 1. So k over k is 1. If I multiply this by 1, I'm not changing anything. So on the top, 42 and the a stay the same. K times k is k squared. On the bottom, 1 times k is k. Okay, I've converted it, and now I can add them. So that is going to be 42a plus 42ak squared all over k. As soon as we have that common denominator, just like 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 2/3, that denominator stays the same. We just add the top numerators together. Okay, but does this look like any of our answers? No, it doesn't. So right off the bat, what are they trying to lead us towards? The first two look like they're trying to lead us towards combining those in some way. Can we do that? No, we cannot do that because they do not have the same variables. They have to be exactly the same variables for you to be able to add them together. They're not, so you can't. So A and B are not possible. Now C and D, we see they're factoring out. They're taking out that greatest common factor or seeing what's left behind. So in both of them, they're taking out 42a. So if you didn't know what the the greatest common factor would be, they're actually giving it to you because both of them have the same one. So what happens when we pull out 42a? Right, so if I take out 42a from this first term, now remember I have to be able to multiply 42a by something here to get back to there. You can't just say I took out 42a so then nothing's left. Nope, we have to be able to multiply back. There we go, to get the same thing. So what you do in those cases is it's 1 because 42a times 1 equals 42a. Okay, now for the next one, 42ak squared. If I pull out that 42a, what's left is just the k squared. And that is all over k. Now if we look over at their versions, their answers, this one right here is the match. All they've done is they've put this, they've reversed that so that the exponent comes first because that is the standard way to write it. So 42a times k squared plus 1. And if you want to know the order, the reason you can reorder that, the fancy word, it's the commutative property of addition. Woohoo! Side math fact. And that's all over k. And there we go. There is our answer. It is D. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10 video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.